Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 10, freebies advent calendar. So throughout the month of December, every day from the 10th to the 25th, you will get a freebie from me. I am showcasing 24 of my very popular best-selling kit, and from them I gift you a page, a designer page that matches, that can be used with the kit. Today I'm showcasing my VIP papers from December 2022. Okay, this kit is called a Christmas background. So what is the VIP lounge? When I opened the website last year in June, can you believe it's been a year already, I decided, and this was an idea from two lovely ladies, from the lovely Carol and the lovely Sue. They gave me an idea to design a subscription, like every business now have a subscription service, if I can say that. And I think that was a fabulous idea. So I have three subscription services: 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So when you join for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months, you get at least 2 digital papers. To be fair, they're more 3 than 2. Sometimes they're actually 4. There have been few months when I gifted you 4 digital papers. They're not available on my website for everybody to download, but they've been designed specifically for the VIP members, hence why it's called VIP. These pages that you're seeing today is part of my subscription from last year, so unfortunately you cannot have it anymore, but all the VIP members that joined last year, they had it. And this was called Christmas backgrounds. So I'm gifting you this page, and this was the original papers, the original kit. It's called, of course, Christmas backgrounds because I pulled together for my VIP members a lot of Christmas backgrounds that the guys could use to create tags, cards, journals, anything for paper. And it had a few pages. Got this one here with the holly, the poinsettia. This was my favorite page, and the feedback from my VIP members was absolutely outstanding. Everybody loved this page, hence why I'm gifting it to you all. Am I nice? Am I good? Yes, I am. In all seriousness, it's just a little way from me, guys, to say thank you to every single one of you. This one was another favorite of mine, and this one here with the poinsettia. So, of course, even if you join now, you won't be able to get these papers because they were from last year. Sorry, guys, but you're gonna get this freebie from my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, so now that you saw where to download my freebie, if you guys wish to join my subscription, there is 3 subscriptions available: 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. When you join, you get at least 2 digital papers sent to your email. Of course, every month they're different. Sometimes they're 3, sometimes they're 4. There's been 3 more than 2, to be fair. You also get a 20% nominated discount code that you can use for the duration of your subscription. So if you join, for example, for 6 months, you get 20% off for my entire website for 6 months. And every month you get an additional gift. Could be a promotion, could be like a 3 for 2, can be a free kit, can be one kit half price, anything. I change, again, this promotion change every day. This is why it's called the VIP lounge, because I want to, you know, to treat some of you that gave me a lot of support, they decided to join the subscription. And I know the feedback that you guys say is you always wait for and you get sent the first of the month. So for example, if you join now, you still get, not this one because this is from last year, but you still get the December papers. I'm going to show you now what you get if you joined my December 2023 digital papers. I'll show you them now. So for the month of December, all my VIP members get these 3 digital papers. One is called Llamas in Bloom, which is this one. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys love too. Oh, I have used 2 of my favorite colors, gold and a very deep, it's not purple, but it's like a deep reddish, pinkish color. Oh, love, love, love. Let me show you the kit. So you got 1 page full of tags, a lovely background. It's more like an ink. Do you know when you play with your alcohol inks, you create this background? So that's the background, and I put some gold in there. I hope you can see them. And of course, I have to put these llamas in full of flowers. I absolutely love it. It is, all these llamas are very sassy, just like myself. Love, love, love. So you got lots of background. You got a page with 3 envelopes. So you got a scallop envelope and 2 traditional envelopes. Another plain background. I give you plain background so my VIP members can do anything they want. You can layer them, you can cut them, you can do anything. There are 2. Don't look at this because my printer is gone a bit mad, but your page will have will have a proper one. It's just because when I put the papers, I press it down, so it's a bit silly, but I still will use it. It's just missing a black line on top. So, but you guys will get the proper one, so don't worry about this. So this is a combination of 2 pillow boxes. So one is different large one. So on each side of the pillow box, you have the llama, and then a slightly smaller one, plain, so you can embellish with anything that you want. I love this. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. And there is a cube gift box. So you just cut it and it looks like a cube, and this is the lid. Oh, sorry, this is the lid. And then last page is another gift box, but it's a milk carton gift box. So when you make this up, it looks like this. So you got your 4 squares, your 4 sides. There's 2 triangles here. Those 2, this one and this one. So what you simply do, I suggest print this on a thicker cardstock, and then you fold and vanish and pull this together. You can either glue the top, or like I do, I just put a little peg so the person can just simply take the peg off, can reuse the gift box. Okay, so that's the top, and of course those 2 are the bases. Okay, so this is kit number 1. Kit number 2 is called the Vintage Botanical. It's a beautiful mini kit, 4 pages full of but like the title say, Antonio, Vintage Botanical. So this background, flowers and dragonflies. Love these. So love this one. Love the colors. It works really, really well. And then the kit number 3 is this one. It's called Ladybird Lunacy. Oh, silly me. I love it. Love, love, love. In here, I played with contrast of colors. So contrast of the ladybirds with the pink background and different backgrounds. So that's one. Love these. They're quite deep. This is probably my favorite page with the blacks. Again, full of backgrounds because you guys can do what you want. There are 2 huge tags and the page with the mini tags. So, well, when I say mini, it's still, I think it's like 2.5 inches. So you get 5 similar, can't speak, 5 of the same sizes, and 2 large ones on the bottom. And then you've got last page, which this is for journal making. So you've got secretary pockets. So you just simply fussy cut this, chop this, you can slide in your things, and 2 triangle side pocket. And for embellishment, okay, so you saw my papers from December 2023 from this year VIP Lounge. So if you wish to join, I will put all the links down below. But in the meantime, just enjoy the freebie. Let's finish the video with a positive note. This is my 365 Days of Calm. It's a book full of quotes, affirmation, and activities to bring calmness every day. And today is number 36. It says, have confidence. What do you know you're good at? Can you make a list? Is it making people laugh or being kind? Doing hard maths problems or gymnastics? The feeling of confidence we have when we know we're good can make us feel strong and brave. Before doing something hard, think about your strengths and capture that confidence. Why don't you guys do this as well? Do a list. I'm definitely not good at gymnastic. I'm all right with maths. It's not my favorite. It wasn't my favorite topic at school, but I do like to create art in a digital form or in the paper form. So I think that's my strength, and I also love to give something back to my amazing community. Enjoy this Christmas freebie. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Hey guys, do you need some more ideas and inspiration? If the answer is yes, I put 2 junk journal clusters embellishment videos on the screen now. Very similar but yet very different. 2 different techniques. So keep watching guys, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Mwah.